Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so the reason I'm standing in my refrigerator is because, well, I'm not in it, but it's open, is because I need help with organizing this thing. Because as you can see, we got a lot going on in here, and I've seen some really cute like refrigerator organization videos and whatnot, but they're the traditional style refrigerators, you know. They're not the side-by-sides. I haven't really seen any really good ones. So I need you guys to direct me to some Pinterest threads or something that has like organization. I've seen people, you know, with those little bins in here and everything. Yeah, I need help because these side-by-sides don't have a lot of room in them. I mean, it's decent on the fridge side, but here on the, you can see how narrow the little shelves are and all of this. So I don't know, I need some ideas. And then I gotta get in here and clean my kitchen because it is a disaster. Went to bed last night, crap all on the counters. Got up this morning, just cooked breakfast. So as you all can see, I have my things now, and we have to go and order the sofa. It's gonna take a while to get here, because I'm adamant on having this one particular sofa. I don't want nothing else. That's all I want. And it's gonna take like 8 weeks. 8 weeks? That's too much. To get the sofa? Yeah, it's terrible. But yeah, so anyway, I need to also today clean, straighten, and organize this monstrosity. See, something about men and their electronics, they gotta have 50,000 pieces to everything, right? You have all these pieces, and then you have all these cords, so I need to, you know, tie those up. We got this thing, which is some sort of, I mean, he'll be taking that back to his house, but some type of, what do you call that? Storage situation. It has nothing but movies in there. Child. So anyway, Carmody and I are by ourselves again because the twins are at their dad's, and Carmody didn't want to go because she's attached to my hip, aren't ya? So, dang, I forgot what my point was. But anyway, I need to fix this because this is going to give me anxiety. So I'm gonna have to fix this after I clean my kitchen. And then I got my computer over there. I need to, girl, that computer is on one. So I'm trying to get signed out of iCloud so that I can.
We watched the movie on the iPad and went back, and now we have the biggest TV and it's back.
Right. So anyway, I'm signing out of that. That's taking forever so that I could clean this computer up. It's just entirely too slow. And then my printer is not connecting wirelessly, and I can't figure out why. So I need to figure that out today because there are some things I have to print out, orders and things. Yeah, and y'all can see, look how gloomy it is. I am over this Houston, well, I mean, Dallas weather ain't no better, but Houston is like, bruh. Okay. So anyway, this is an Apple TV. I've never had an Apple TV before. I need to, what the hell happened right here? What is that? What in the world is that? Is that oil from where? Oh, I might have had oil there. No? Girl, I don't even know. I don't know how I'm gonna get that off. Anyways, it's Apple TV. I don't even know how you use that.
You lied to the camera.
What happened?
You're lying to the camera.
What's it?
You're supposed to wipe it.
I know, but I don't know if it's gonna come off though. Is this dust or is that no? Okay. So anyway. They don't believe you. Y'all see these black floors? They are already giving me the blues. I knew that was gonna be the case. But they are dusty. See that? It doesn't matter how much you sweep and mop, the floors remain dusty.
How did you do that?
So, that's my kitchen. So, yeah,
I hate hotels.
I gotta figure.
I hate hotels because they have no oven.
Right. So I have to figure out a system. I got a Swiffer, but the Swiffer doesn't even really like get, I don't know. But anyway,
Where's the slipper?
the Swiffer is the mop thing we got. So I gotta clean. Today's a clean day, and I do her hair. And if the twins, if the twins come back today, I have to do theirs. Well, car journeys, and then I have to cut Kanan's hair, and then I really want part of my day to be like self-care for me because I need to do my own hair.
You already did my hair.
And that was a week ago. And
A week ago? What are you talking about? That's not a week ago. 1 week ago.
don't get shy now. Yeah, do my hair, do my brows. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put my hair back in for a minute. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do, yeah, so I just need to work on myself.
Make your real hair.
Huh?
What you're gonna do is make your real hair.
I'm gonna make my real hair.
Yeah, so it can't be like that.
Wanna show me a cup? It's too close. What does it say? Girl, you know what it say. What does it say?
It says pretty magical.
And what is that on there?
Unicorn.
Unicorn's your favorite? Why?
Because it's rainbow.
Oh.
I always like it. Always favorite color is pink and blue. I know.
Okay, y'all. So anyway, I'm going to stop procrastinating. The computer is still like, how long is it gonna take? Oh God, I hope not. And then I need to get. Let me show y'all. I need to get in my closet as well. My kitchen. I gotta take out the trash. We have valet trash, but them sons of guns did not come Thursday and get it, so I had to take my own trash out. Like, what the heck? So next project is going to be this closet.
You don't show this stuff. You don't show.
So this is where I put that money rug. And when I'm in here meditating,
In the other video.
I just
And guys,
sit
I
here.
hide something.
You hit something. So I need more hangers. I only like these velvet hangers because the clothes don't fall off, and as you guys can see, I don't really have many. And I have all this that I need to hang. There's their hangers. Why is that in here? That's not even yours. Go put that on Kanan's bed. So yeah, I need some definite organization up in these parts. I got these Alexas that I need to take out and install. One is gonna go in the kids' room, and I have.
Guys, I got so much clothes. Guys, look, I got so much clothes than you guys.
Okay, good. So anyway, I need to hook up that Alexa.
Punches.
I cannot find my memory card for my camera. I have one in here. It's a small one, but my 258 gig or whatever, I don't know where it is. I thought it was behind in my iMac, but it's not. So I have to figure out where the hell that is, because those things are not cheap. Child, stop. Anyway, so on the agenda, I may not get to this today. Today's Saturday. Maybe it'll be a tomorrow project. But I need to figure out my computer so I can actually edit all of these vlogs. I have vlogs that are like from a week ago that I haven't been able to post. So this is my, I think I've showed you guys this in another vlog, but that is the beginnings of my altar in spiritual space. This stuff right here, these candles and stuff, are gonna go at the top up there. So I have more space for all of my woo-woo stuff. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys this in this vlog. I don't know if I showed it already. Did I? Anyway, I have these big ass containers. And there's really no storage here, so I gotta either keep them here or figure out where the heck. And my husband doesn't have space at his place, so anyway, so this is from, let me show you guys. I'm gonna make a whole separate video sharing this with you, but this is from Heritage Apothecary. So here's the website, etsy.com/Heritage Apothecary, and this is a, what do they call it? This is, I forget what she calls it exactly, but it's basically like a cleansing kit, and you see it's a beautiful, I'm trying to get it to where
It's a treasure chest that has money.
so see all my decks. I need some new decks, y'all. Comment down below, let me know which decks I need to get. I need some oracles for sure. Anyway, so this is it, and it's a wooden box. Oh Lord, I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Hold on. Okay. All right, got it open. All right, so we have a black feather. This is the unofficial unboxing.
I'm gonna hang one of these clothes.
Go ahead and hang them up. Got some sage with some lavender. It smells good. I love the smell of sage. We have this flower bundle. I gotta read on here what you're supposed to do with this. Not sure if you're supposed to burn it. Are you supposed to burn that? I don't know. We have some Palo Santo. Y'all know I love that. And then we have this, what do they call it? Abalone shell?
Back there.
This shell, it broke a little bit. It when I opened it, it was
so
broken.
Pretty.
But
It's so pretty.
Then we have some amethyst
I love
to go with my other amethyst, which is down there,
so soft.
right here. This amethyst I've been having for years, so the one I have is darker. And we know amethyst can be almost clear. So I came with that. And then we have this, what are these called? What are these called again? These candles. It's not coming to me, but a gold candle. These have a particular name. It's not coming to me. And then we have some black sand. So this is the name of the company. Thank you so much, girl. This is beautiful. I was so excited to get this. But like I said, once I sit down and do the official unboxing on camera, I'll know what I'm supposed to be doing with all of this stuff and have better details. But that is it. And this box is everything. So, you know, once you burn the sage and the Palo Santo, you still have some keepsakes. which I love. This is a selenite wand that I got from Amazon. Y'all have seen this before. I need to do a sacred bath. These are what these candles are for. Last bottle of, what is this stuff called? Florida water. I need some more because I'm starting to feel some type of way because I only have one left. And my honey jars, my holy water. Shake it up. It's my holy water. It has salt in it. This is rainwater. This is my husband's watch that he left. Why does he still have the plastic on it is what I want to know. Why do men do stuff like, look at that. Plastic still on it. The kids bought this for him for his birthday. And he left it here, so I'm gonna leave it there. Yeah, so anyway, I wanted to show you guys that. Alright, and she is, what are you doing?
Hanging my stuff.
Hanging up your stuff.
I need help.
No, you don't. You're a big girl.
But it's too much.
It is not too much. Want me to help you? Okay, I'll help you. Alright, y'all.
On camera.
We're not doing it on camera. So anyway, guys, I will see you all
Why are we not doing it on camera?
in a little bit, okay? Say bye.
Bye. Why are you not doing it on camera?
Because I'm not dressed. Say bye.
Bye.
You gonna do the... Do it. Do it.
Bye. Next year, I saw on TikTok adults did it, so you should better do it.
Do what?
TikTok, because adults did it, now you better do it.
Oh, she wants you guys to go on TikTok. Alright.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia. Who can guess what movie we're watching? We're trying to finish this up from last night. We got some Cheez-Its because we don't have any popcorn. And we got some cookies in the oven. I haven't got much done at all. I guess it's okay to rest on Saturday, right? Okay. Y'all tell me down below what movie this is. Alright, y'all. Watching movie number
I have survived many
2.
terrifying encounters, but nothing.
Who can tell me in the comments what this one is? Now these are older movies. It's just that
The wind changed.
I'm watching them for the first time because I really don't watch movies because my attention span is real short. But I heard this one was good, so
The dinosaurs were never really alive. I'll just put the bearings together to test our faith.
let me know
Seems like
what y'all think it is.
Pretty dirty trick.
Hint,
Wait,
it's a scary movie.
Well, do you
That tells you the name of it right there. She does.
The Bible